guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're going to be talking about hashtags on Instagram and how many hashtags you can use in your posts and stories. And along with that, I'm going to be showing you some ways to get away with this, how you can sneak them in there, or have it be less noticeable without hashtags spammed all over your posts. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so you can get notified when a new video is out. I would really appreciate it. It really helps me and it helps new people discover my channel. Now let's go ahead and hop on my phone and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so here we are on Instagram. We're gonna start off with an Instagram story post. So I'm gonna swipe over and then I'm just gonna take a photo. And then the first thing to note is that you can use multiple hashtags in a story post. So I could use hashtag Apple. I'm going to go ahead and type out some here. You can use up to 10 hashtags. So there's 3 there. Remember, you can use 10. You can add a location. Now the thing to note is if there was like 10 of these on here, it would be pretty ugly. They'd be all over the place. So note that you can just shrink them down and sort of hide them wherever you want on the screen. So I'm just going to hide these like in the white place. There they are, just like unnoticeable, out of the way. And they would still have the opportunity to show up when people are searching hashtags on Instagram. So from here, I would just go ahead and post this to my story. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to discard this one. However, if we go to the Explore page, and then we hit search on the top of the screen, and then we go to tags, and then we search one of those like Apple. Go to Apple. We can see at the top of the screen there's a story. So when you include these hashtags in your story, up to 10 of them, you have a better opportunity for people to view and discover your content. If they're searching these hashtags, you could show up on these stories. Now the next way to use hashtags is on a post. So doing a post from the bottom middle, like here's a photo I could post, hit next, next. And then in my caption, I can include up to 30 hashtags. And if you want an easy, like the best way to do this, I'm gonna drop a link to a video down below. Also link an Instagram playlist so you guys can check out tons of videos with Instagram tutorials. But be sure to check out that video if you wanna see the easiest way to do this rather than typing all of your hashtags out each time. Basically, you're gonna go sunset, or whatever your caption is, and then you're gonna do period in return 5 times. And then you can begin to type out your hashtags. You can use up to 30 of them. I think you get the point. You would want to research what hashtags you want to use and what's going to work best for your account in that photo. And then you can use that set of hashtags. But remember, you just want like these 5 dots to sort of separate it. And then when people are viewing your posts, they're not going to see all the hashtags right away. It's going to be like a couple dots. And then if they tapped on that, they would be able to view more. So by doing it this way, you can sort of hide all of your hashtags and it's not spammy or in the way. And we can do these in a caption or in a comment. So you could just select this portion right here and hit copy. And then delete that. And then you would go ahead and share your post, make it live, and then you can go to your post and comment your hashtags in the first comment. And that works the exact same way as if you were to use your hashtags in the caption. Another thing to note is about what hashtags you want to use. So I would recommend using hashtags of different sizes. So you could use like 10 small ones, 10 medium ones, and 10 large ones. Like when we tap on Apple here, this is a large one. This has 21 million posts. So the goal would be to rank sort of in these top 9 posts here, the top posts. And if we tap on one of these, we can see that you need a lot of likes, a lot of engagement to get up here, 11,000. So you need to be getting quite a lot of engagement to reach the top posts here. But people will also look at the most recent of a popular hashtag, so it's good to use popular hashtags even if you can't reach the top posts. However, if we search a smaller hashtag like OtherPath, 14,000 posts. And if I tap on one of these, we can see you need a lot less engagement to reach the top post section. Like this photo has 83 likes. This one has less than 500. So you definitely need some amount of likes. This one here has over 1,000, 174. So you need some likes to reach it, but you don't need thousands to reach the top post for this hashtag. So there's probably less eyeballs on this one, but you would be able to reach the top post more easily. So that could be a better trade-off for you. So you can have smaller ones like OtherPath, larger ones like Apple. Then you want to find like more medium ones, maybe with like 50 to 100,000 posts. So you could type in something like Apple if that was what your post was about. And then you can just scroll through here to see sort of a hashtag that might work for your size of post, like maybe Apple Watch Series 3. That has 72,000. So you can see these are probably getting around 1,000 likes, 1,000 to 5,000 or so. So that would be sort of a medium level hashtag that you could approach. So you want to have a good mix of different sized hashtags. That's just going to allow you to rank and maximize your posts. And there you have an overview of how to use hashtags. You can use up to 10 on a story post and up to 30 on a normal post. And there you have it, how to use hashtags on Instagram and how many you can use. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also, let me know if you have any further insights or ideas around this topic. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, social media, tech, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.